Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice algebraic equations? We have x minus 4 squared equals 36. So we are going to solve this problem using two different methods. So let's say we consider solution from here. And if this is method 1 of solving this. So from the given questions, we have x minus 4 raised to power 2 equals 36. So here we have squared. Suppose we take the square root of both sides. So the only thing that can make this square cancelled is by taking the square root of both sides. So doing that, we have the square root of x minus 4 squared. So equals, here we are going to introduce plus or minus to it. Then here is square root of 36. So here we have square and square root cancelled. We are left with x minus 4 equals plus or minus. So square root of 36, that equals 6. Then to obtain x, we transfer minus 4 to other side. Here we have x equals 4 plus or minus 6. So since this attain it attracts two symbols, we have plus and minus. We have to follow the two as we firstly add and subtract. So by adding this, we have 4 plus 6, and this gives us 10. It means our x equals 10. And again, we can still have x equals 4 minus 6, which is minus 2. So we can conclude that our x1 equals 10, our x2 equals minus 2. So here is the first method of solving this. And we have to consider the second method here. Suppose we have method 2. And we see which one is more effective to use. So the question says x minus 4 raised to the power of 2 equals 36. So at the left hand side, we have 36, which we can write it as 6 squared. So by having this as 6 squared, some can just say, let's cancel square and squared. When you cancel square and square, we equate this together, and we have x equals 10. But that does not give the full answer here, as what we got above is 2 answers. And by cancelling this and this ordinary like that, we only get one answer, which is 10. And that doesn't make sense. We have to obtain the two solutions here. So to obtain that two solutions, let's transfer this 6 to the power of 2. Let's take it to this left hand side. By doing that, we have x minus 4 squared minus 6 squared equals 0. So, and if we compare this with a squared minus b squared, so here is difference of 2 squared, and the result of it is a plus b multiplied by a minus b, or you can just say a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So by comparing this one, if our a is x minus 4 and our b is 6, so we try and introduce it here, we substitute, and when we substitute, what we have here is x minus 4, then we have plus 6. So multiply by x minus 4 minus 6 equals 0. So for this one, we have x minus 4 minus 6. This gives us x plus 2. And for this one, we have x minus 10 equals 0. Then we proceed by obtaining we are going to consider the quadratic expression. Here we have x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 10 equals 0. So it means we let x plus 2 equals to 0. So doing that, we have x plus 2, this equals to 0, and we get x here equals minus 2. And again, we have x minus 10 equals to 0. So this shows that our x here equals 10. So we have these two solutions as well. X is minus 2 and 10. So here are the two solutions that satisfy this problem. And let's look a check. Let's try and check if this satisfies the given equations. So here is what we have. Suppose we try to check for at x equals minus 2. So we substitute, we have minus 2 minus 4 squared. So I want to see if this equals 36. Then from here, minus 2 minus 4, that is minus 6 all squared. So equals 36. As minus 6 squared, so this minus will go because of this squared. And here is 6 squared. So 6 squared, that is 36, equals 36. This is correct. And also for x equals to 10, when we substitute in x minus 4 squared equals 36. So for x equals to 10, that is 10 minus 4 squared. So equals 36. So 10 minus 4, that gives us 6 squared. And 6 squared equals 36. Because 6 squared here, that gives us 36. And 36 equals 36. So it means the only two solutions here are minus 2 and 10. That's how we get this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.